So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to do a no makeup look. The type of makeup that's going to leave people confused on whether you applied makeup or not. So if you want to know how to achieve this, make sure you watch this video to the very end, okay? Hi lovies, how you all doing? You're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to do what I call a no makeup look. The type of makeup that is going to leave people confused. Like when they see you, they be like, did she do makeup or did she not do makeup? Yes, that is what we are here to do today. And if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Joy, and all I do here is teach you how to look beautiful. Yes, it's all about beauty and lifestyle. So to achieve this no makeup look, you will be needing just few products to do that. And these products are: number one, the foundation you want to use; number two, your concealer; three, your powder you'll be using. I'll be using powder palette for the purpose of the video. Then your setting powder you'll be using, your mascara, your pencil, your eyeliner. I'll be using karite. Then your lip stain, anything you want to use on your lips. Then to add a little bit of shine to it, you'll be needing either your cheek glaze or your bronzer. So to start off this look, I'll be going in with my foundation. I will be working in sections. I love to work in sections anytime I'm using a matte foundation, and this is the foundation I'm using, sylvimak. So you don't need too much product for this. You don't need too much product. Just add a little and then blend it to every other part of your face. So I'm done with my foundation. You don't need too much foundation, just little. I'm done with my foundation, so I'll be going in with the next product, which is a concealer. And this is the concealer I'm using. I love this product. I love the concealer. And for this concealer, we don't need it everywhere on the face. We just need it under the eyes, just to brighten the under eye. Do you know we are doing a no makeup look, and it's just little that we need, not much. Just little. All those ones we are putting here, all those places, you don't need it. You just need here, small here, and then you can add a little here. That's all. So after giving these few seconds, I am just going to go ahead to blend it, and I am starting with this one here. Let me blend it. You see how that blended into the skin? That's one thing I like about this concealer. Then for the under eye, I hope I am not turning my face away from you guys. My mirror is right here. My under eye. You blend that out. Make sure it's properly blended. There should be no harsh line. No harsh line. Now that the concealer is blended out, I blended out the concealer. So I'll go in with my setting powder. And this is the setting powder I'll be using. This merak setting powder in the shade ginger. This is the one I'll be using. I will just pick that with this. You see, I just pick it with it. And then I will smudge it here at the back of my hand. I'll smudge it here. Then before using it to set my face, set your under eye. After setting the under eye, you can go ahead and set the rest of your face with it if you want to. If you want to, you can use the remaining one you have here to set the rest of your face. So after that, you are moving on to your brows. You know it's a no makeup look, so we are not drawing brows. So what we're going to do is that you're going to use your spiral one. Can you see that? This, they call it spoolie or spiral one, anyone. Brush your brows. If your brows is full, after brushing it, you will just leave it, but mine is not that full. So what I will do is that I will take my pencil and then draw hairline strokes just to fill up the places that seems empty, so that my brows won't look empty, right? Then I will do the same here. So I'm done filling in the brows, and that is basically all I need to do on these brows. I am not highlighting it. If you have full brows, like your brows is really full, you don't need to fill anything in, else it will become too dark. You don't need to fill it in, just brush it. Just brush it and you're good to go. So let's just move to the next thing, which is the eyeshadow. What we're going to use on the eyeshadow, and we are going to do that using what? Using powder. So I'll be starting with the darker shade, this shade right here. I'll put it on my eyes, not too much of it. This my own is a bit too dark. I'll still blend it out. I don't know, I'll just go in with it. So going in with the lighter shade now, because I really want it to be like there is nothing there, but there is something there. You get me? So after blending that out with that lighter shade of powder, look what we have. Our eyeshadow is done. So we'll move on to the liner. I'll be using Karite gel liner to line my eyes, just to line the eyes. This is the brush I'll be using. I'll just bring down my eye down a bit, and then the next thing I'm going to do is to take that darker shade of powder and smudge my under eye a bit, just little. Don't make it to be too dark. It must not be that obvious, just a bit, just little like this. So after that, the next thing is to take your mascara. Since we are not using lashes on this look, it's a no makeup look. We are not using lashes, so you use your mascara, and then you're going to use this mascara not only on the upper one, the down one too, the lower lashes also. Use your mascara to make the lashes stand out. And with that done, we'll go to the lips. For your lips, you don't need something sharp, you need something natural, something soft. So we are going to go with brown and nude. Just note that the shade of brown and the shade of nude you will use should depend on your skin color. If you're too light, don't use a very dark brown. Use a very light brown and use a light nude, you understand? But if you're not that light, you can use a dark brown, but never black. Don't use black, use dark brown and then dull nude. As a nude that is not that sharp. There are nudes that are not that sharp. They have different shades of nude and different shades of brown, so you choose the one that goes in with your shade. So let's just get into that. And you can also go with your liner and your lip gloss. With your liner and your lip gloss, you must not use any lip stain, you must not use lipstick. You can go with your liner and your lip gloss if you want to. And in this video, we are going to be doing liner and lip gloss. That's just it, liner and lip gloss. So to line my lips, I'll be using this Davis pencil to line. Just bringing the lining down a bit. Bring it down a bit. And you go ahead and add a little at the lower lip. Then you use your lip blending brush. This is my own lip blending brush. See how precise, how small it is. I don't know where I got this from. The name is off. You use it and blend that pencil so that there will be no harsh line. Then after blending it, you go in with your lip gloss. This is the lip gloss I'll be using from Adventure Cosmetics. You go in with it. I don't like putting lip gloss directly like that, but this is my personal lip gloss, so I will use it directly on my lips. And that is all with the lips. We're done with it, and all you need to do now is to touch up little powder if you need it anywhere, maybe your under eye, anywhere you feel like you need a little powder. Don't do too much. Don't forget, it's a no makeup look. No contouring, no blush, no color anywhere. Just touch up little powder here and there. And that is it. To add a little shine to your face, you can go in with your bronzer or a cheek glaze. But for this look, I will not advise you to go in with your bronzer. I will advise you to go in with your cheek glaze. Cheek glaze a little. So let's just do that. So going in now with my cheek glaze so that my face will not look so dry. And it just little here so that my face will not look so dry. Just little cheek glaze. I'm not doing much. Just, it's almost like invisible, but it's there. You can just add a bit of that to your nose and then your forehead. It will look as if it's not there, but it's there. It is there. And that is it. And this is time to go in with your spray after everything, your setting spray. If you want it dewy, you can go in with a dewy setting spray. If you want it to have a matte finish, you can go in with a matte setting spray. But if you're using your setting spray, please do not use it too much. You know that you apply just little stuffs on your face, and the work of the setting spray is to calm down your makeup. So don't use much of it, just little, so that everything will blend into the skin. Okay, so let me set mine. I think I'm done. Like I said, don't set too much, and let me use my fan to dry that. And my lovelies, this is basically all you need to achieve a no makeup look. Can you see that? Let me just arrange my hair and I'll be right back. Go nowhere. See what we created. You like it, right? So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section, and of course share this video. Till I come your way next time. I love you.